Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unobtrusive way. Velo truly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in an unpretentious manner. Velo's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a descending pattern, kind of additional appearance, how Velo has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in an unpretentious manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they for the most part thought. 16 December 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these often fundamentally clarified some pressing issues, facts, what most certainly is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Velo, in a real sense, is Velo a very wise interest in a fundamentally significant manner. Velo support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the Velo specialized examination, basically let us generally discuss the by and large current economic situations exhibiting that 16 December 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Velo cost investigation for now or for truly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these oftentimes generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is transient cost expectation for Velo, especially is Velo in excellent interest in an essentially significant manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,599,597,582,709, which especially is genuinely huge. The absolute exchanging volume remains at $55,060,451,724, which by and large is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39%, showing that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time span. XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere near 1.63 and presently exchanging at 62 cents, exhibiting how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere around 1.63 and as of now exchanging at 62 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Furthermore, Solana came to $74.13 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 5.78% in esteem, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a kind of descending bearing for transient in a very enormous manner. As of now, a for the most part broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers become sort of more truly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any kind of additional in a very significant manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers especially move pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they really thought. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file, Velo, especially is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a sort of large manner. However, Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the very last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with an especially complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars. So moreover, Solana came to $74.13 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 5.78% in esteem, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a value lessening of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours in an especially huge manner. Velo Value Examination Velo Cost Investigation for 16 December 2023, inside a truly everyday time span, generally made sense of beneath, so Velo's EMA10 explicitly shows a descending pattern, kind of additional appearance, how Velo explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in an exceptionally significant manner. We utilize essentially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including exceptionally straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving extremely normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the Velo, showing how as of now, a genuinely broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which certainly is genuinely critical. The especially relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is a 30. Kind of additional appearance how Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The Velo United States dollar moving extremely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker, sort of is demonstrating a present moment, fundamentally sell kind of sign, as the MACD line basically is moving underneath truly signal line, which fundamentally implies certainly bears basically are ruling on the lookout. Which sort of shows that Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. While Velo's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and by and large transient pattern, essentially inversion for the most part is conceivable, showing how right now, a truly broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, showing how while distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period, which truly is genuinely huge. Velo truly is moving in extremely descending heading as fundamentally bears effectively truly take the coin underneath prompt help level of $0.004, which really shows that right now, a sort of broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought. Presently Velo ought to in every practical sense track down a help at $0.004 or, in all likelihood, the vendors could then focus on the vital help level put at $0.005